everyone, welcome back to our channel GUVI. Today we are going to discuss about two of the most famous languages. You have been hearing a lot about Rust and GoLang. Both are trending, both are powerful, but if you're standing there thinking, which one should I actually learn? This video is going to make it super simpler. Before getting into the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on that bell icon for new video notifications. Let's go shopping. No, what I meant is, imagine you want new clothes for an upcoming occasion. One of these languages is getting a custom tailored outfit stitched just for you. The other, a ready to wear set you grab off the shelf and you're good to go. Still stylish, still useful, just different ways of getting there. Rust is like walking into the tailor shop and getting an outfit made for you from scratch. The tailor measures everything, shoulders, arms, and even how you stand. It takes time. You have to try it on and make some adjustments, wait a bit longer, but once it's done, it fits perfectly. It lasts longer and it performs better. It's also super solid. That's how Rust works. It gives you full control, you manage memory safely, you avoid crashes. It's perfect for things like blockchain operating systems or embedded devices where performance and safety really matter. Yes, it's hard to learn, but if you're someone who wants to build your apps or systems right from the ground up, Rust is absolutely your tool. Now, Go, also called GoLang, is walking into a store, picking a well-cut suit, maybe adjusting the sleeves or finding your size, and boom, you're ready. Quick, clean, and totally functional. Go is super beginner friendly. It got simple syntax. It's built to help you get things done fast. It shines when you're working with things like cloud app, backend systems, or tools like Kubernetes or Docker. The best part, Go handles multiple tasks simultaneously like a pro. So basically, it can do many things at once without messing it up. Great for companies building large systems that need to scale fast. So what should you choose to learn? If you want that custom outfit, high performance, long-term suit, go for Rust. If you're looking for something really quick, efficient, and reliable that works out of the box, Go is the way to go. It just depends on what you're building and how much of effort you want to put in for learning. Now tell us in the comments below, are you a team tailor-made or ready to wear? Rust or Go? And if this video helped you to choose, hit the like button and share it with someone who's stuck in deciding. See you in the next video.